back to World Conquer 4. Come on, give me a sec. Okay, so we are going to continue with our 1943 Germany conquest. So off cam, I did do, of course, I always do some work off cam. You're doing all of the uninteresting stuff, I guess. So basically, what happened? So I already landed in a Kudrak, so that I can make a city that can produce heavy tanks. I'm gonna upgrade this right away. There we go. It's now a tier 3, which means it can produce heavy. You can produce heavy tanks. And then I'm just kind of moving like a lot of force in Asia right now. It's currently moving towards Australia, and then right, the North American landings. And one more thing, hold on. Our Alaskan landings. So I've actually made some Alaskan landings, and you know is that you might not know this, but I upgraded my tech so that now I've a 100% chance to attack once annihilating enemy units. That's gonna be huge. That tech upgrade is gonna be absolutely huge. Okay, well, I guess let's just get this thing stored, I guess. Okay, so currently these I can produce everything. That's gonna be huge because and plus we don't have any journals here. All our journals are in Asia right now. I think I'm probably gonna use them to that way we can have 2 fronts. We have probably a front, maybe even 3 fronts, because we're gonna have a front in Alaska. We're gonna have a really big front in Alaska soon. We're gonna have a front in. We're gonna have a front in I'm hoping maybe we can get a front on the eastern coast, because we all already sailing to Australia. So once we finish up Australia, we can take out the Pacific Islands, and then we can maybe get a landing on Mexico, if possible. Yeah, and yeah, the Brazilians just keep trying to land troops here. It's not gonna happen. Might actually want to land some. No, it's not really okay. Well, yeah, this is okay. Yeah, so we got invaded from our American front. Okay, bit of a ball. Now, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get nuclear technology. So very soon, we are going to get nuclear technology. We're going to get nuclear technology very soon. Yeah, kind of boring, isn't it? Yeah, there's kind of a stage where it's kind of boring. Like, you have to start using, like, you start to use strategic bombers more than anything. You don't even need to use, like, the landing thing. You can just use bombers, and you just have so much money. You just have, like, insane amount of money. Hey, you're gonna get to a point where you have like, where you're just gonna get like infinite revenue. So you can just infinitely like afford strategic bombers. And even stealth bombers too. You don't have access to stealth. But I'm pretty sure France has access to it. I'm pretty sure if it is France, you have access to it in 1939. So I guess stealth bomb. Germany not having stealth bombers isn't really related to the time period. It's just related to like the fact that Germany isn't really known for super stealthy bombers, I guess. Oh, there's something. Oh man. This is okay. I'm gonna have to actually send actual units for that. Oh, okay. So you were officially defeated. Yeah, so I think anytime I get a new city, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna instantly get it to tier 3, and then just start completely spamming heavy tanks out of it. Like, come on, it's gotta fall eventually, right? It does have a pretty strong anti-air gun, but it's not gonna last forever. I think the main problem is gonna be the city health, right? Come on. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna cut this port out. So I'm back, and there we go. We have the nuclear plant, which means we can start going boom, 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 boom in like the next 3 turns. Yeah, it takes 3 turns for the bombs to build. Well, in the meantime, I guess I'm gonna use like missiles. I have a ton to use. Just gonna keep expanding. And Washington goes down. Okay, so we're making some pretty good progress. Wait, what's that weird? I made like some weird sound. Okay, if I didn't make a weird sound, please leave it in the comments. I heard a weird sound. I use like the like microphone or something. I'm using what do you call it? Like the small versions of headphones, what do you call it? Like the mini earphones. Earphones? I don't know. You said that you call like I know about headphones. But then, like, there's that like small thing that you put on, like, you use and you attach your phone. Like, I don't remember what was that one. Okay, Miami down. Now I'm gonna need to see to produce heavy tanks. So, you know why? Because we got Cuba. Yeah, Cuba down. Oh yeah, right. And now we can produce super tanks too. Okay. Okay, it seems like we're finally gonna be able to land on some fresh Australian soil. Okay, there we go. I think next time we should be getting ready to land. No, I think next time we should be able to land. I think. But I think the good alien's gonna die though. He's not gonna last forever. Okay, so we're gonna keep going up through Canada, I think. Through Canada? What's that country? I'm in Canada. Okay, so we're gonna continue going up into Canada. So we're gonna have a super force going towards Canada. I'm gonna get that port. Make sure that there's no more. Make sure there's no ports left. Oh, they retook Washington. How do you retake Washington? I already took it. They did like. I think they bombed it or something. I had a 3-stack heavy tank in there. They forced super tanks in Miami. Boom. I think Manstein should be brave. Okay, there we go. Manstein has landed. Manstein is here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay, they didn't take Washington. This is good. We're good. And missile silo. Okay, let's get ready the boom booms. I'm just gonna try and see how many I'm just gonna try and get as many nuclear bombs as possible. Every single city has to have a nuclear plant and a missile silo. I'm moving through. Okay, I'll just. Oh, I can't. It's not in range. If I use a fighter, it's not gonna be in range. I need to waste. I'll waste some deals. Wait. Oh, it's not even in range in the first place. Wait, why did I land there? I didn't mean to land there. Did I even click on something? I feel like I misclicked. We got quite a lot of Mexican reinforcements coming up into Texas. Yeah, a bit weird. Come on, you got this. Okay. What was he? Is that true? That's an insta kill. Oh, take that port. Oh yeah, slowly beginning the paratrooper invasion. The paratrooper invasion has begun. I'm just gonna spam paratroopers. Yes, I think I'm probably not gonna even land like troops there. I think I'm probably just gonna use land tonight and clear out the Pacific Islands first, and then we'll start our front in the east, indeed the eastern U.S. Oh, Guderian's gonna die. Guderian's gonna die really fast. He's gonna die next round. Not my Guderian, the original Guderian we started with. Okay. It's time to start shipping out. It's time to start the invasion of Cuba. See, oh my god, that's impossible to take. Why? The moment I finish bombing it, nothing's in range. So frustrating. Okay, wait. Anyways, let's start production on our mass bombing campaign. We do have one atomic bomb. What am I gonna put it on? You know what? Let's bomb. Sand. Wait, does it even reach though? Okay, you know, I think I'll probably take once he's closer. Okay, so I'm gonna build a missile silo in Denver. Oh, but before that, I need to bomb this. Okay, Chicago. Chicago's down, which means now we can take Denver, which means we can make the missile silo, which means we can launch the bomb on San Francisco and Los Angeles. Probably San Francisco. Boom. Okay, it's almost half down. The city's almost half down. Okay, paratrooper invasion as we got it. It's all our paratroopers at this point. Nothing is gonna stop the paratrooper force. Oh, that's okay. I hate that so much. Even when you have infinite money, the amount of stuff that you need to do is more than infinite. Good guy first. But I'm gonna try a postal invasion in Cuba. But I think these super tanks would be much better used to invade Mexico, and then from there they'll go down to Brazil. I think that's a pretty good plan. Wait, we gotta bomb as many cities as possible. Darwin's Dam, which means now we can bomb. Okay, I'll upgrade the airport first. So now we can bomb this city. And I'm probably gonna get some help from the paratroopers. Why is he shooting only doing like 20? It should be really strategic bombs do like 42. Okay. Come on. Okay, Brisbane. Well, I don't think we have enough. I don't think we have enough. Okay. Well, that's great. Wait, how is it Toronto? Damn it. No unsolved mystery. Well, we lost one of our nuclear bombs. It's not even. Oh, wait. Wait, so I guess it works differently in Conquest. It's usually in campaign if you lose your nuclear city and the atomic bombs are still being worked on, then you lose all your progress making the atomic bombs. But I guess in Conquest it's different. Huh. Okay, to the Pacific Islands. To the Pacific Islands. know how many atomic bombs? I have one hydrogen bomb. I'm not gonna use it just to finish it, just to finish up Havana. Okay, nuclear plant. Okay, one bomb. I'll drop another one on San Francisco. Another one on San Francisco. I think that should be it. Okay, still a little bit of health left though. Should be able to clean that up with some missiles. Oh, 114. That was a strong one. Okay, nice. Okay, next, okay, I'm pretty sure I have another one that only needs one more. Okay, yeah. So next turn I'll be using on Los Angeles. Okay. That one, oh, is there... Come on, why do my players have like 0 range? Okay, to be fair, they have pretty good range, but... I wish it was... Okay, I guess I haven't got my tech up for... I haven't really gone off air tech, I guess. Maybe I should upgrade my tech for air. My parachute tech. Okay, next stop is Honolulu. Nothing we can redo here. Got no money. Oh, there's a submarine there. Hold on. Oh, we got 2. Nice. Okay, it's time. Los Angeles. Boom. 350. I'm pretty sure that's the max damage, right? What's the damage? Yeah, exactly 350. Okay. But we still gotta know when you run, I maybe want to drop it on. Where should I drop it? Oh yeah, right. I forgot about these guys for a few turns. I will, Alaska expedition groups. Hey, and I guess now I'm gonna have to get these guys to do something. You know what? I think I know exactly where to put the bomb. Here we go. On Brisbane. 175. Pretty good. Okay, so I just did some off-cam progress. So okay, ooh. Luckily they did not take San Francisco. They cleared out a bunch of stuff. Please, please, please. Okay, thank God I got that. Wait. Okay, nice. Okay, I have my whatever phone's inside my use. Oh yeah, right. It's called a earpiece. Okay, yeah, it's called the earpiece. Oh, and that's just now. Should we take that? There's one infantry who is gonna absolutely kill me. Not kill me physically, kill me mentally. This one like low-rise infantry is playing. Is like doing psychological warfare with me. That one low-rise infantry playing psychological warfare. And I think this city should be down. Finally. Okay, let's launch the pivotal landing. And there's still one port over here. I'm going to take that next turn. And now we have quite a lot of targets. We have 5 right now. So I'm immediately going to launch one at Los Angeles. Finish what we stored there. Oh, nice. The max of 350. I'm probably gonna launch you. Let's launch another one at Mexico City. Yeah. Okay. I also have the level 2 missile side, which means I can launch even better missiles now. Nice. 350 again. Few more strategic bombs should do it. Okay, the capital is down. I also went ahead and killed Cuba. Defeated Cuba. I'm gonna try and take Vancouver, but you know what? Some of you might see this as like a waste, but you know what? I have infinite like resources at this point. There you go. Again, exactly. Oh wow, we're getting really lucky. Are you kidding me? Okay. Vancouver goes down, and I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, that's literally the last Canadian city up there. And then after that, we just got the ports to take out, and that's all of. Oh yeah, right. And those Mexican cities, and then that's all of North America. And then we'll finish up probably with Brazil, with the invasion of Brazil. Hold on, let me see if I can get even again, like I said, even when you have infinite money, there's the cost of having, like the cost of everything you need to do is more than infinite. Like further than infinite. Yeah, I think we're getting really close though. So I might either make another episode later, or I might continue this one and make this a longer episode. No, I think I'm gonna make this a longer episode. Okay. See if this has the range. Oh, it has the range. Boom. There we go. Okay. It's gonna be making so much easier. But I still have 2 more I'm gonna bomb. I'm gonna have one on fertilizer. Wait, Rio de Janeiro. Second time. Oh, exactly 250. Okay, then this is going to make our invasion of Brazil so much better. So much easier. Wait, you know, I think I might need to consider making the invasion of Brazil from the coast over here. It's gonna take a while for all of our land units to get to Brazil, and even if we use this one, it's still it is still going to take a long time. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, this is definitely an end game. Okay, we are now in the end game of the conquest. Hold on, wait, is there a port? Where's the? Okay, apparently there's another Australian port somewhere. I have no idea where it could be. Do they have a port near like the Philippines or something? Oh, they got like a sneaky point in Japan. Okay. Okay, we're honestly getting very close to it. So, yeah, I found a solution to the whole Brazil thing. I could move on to Venezuela. I used some missiles to knock out Conquest-S, and I bombed Rio de Janeiro one more time just to get to 0, and now I'm going to proceed to. There we go. All of the Brazilian cities are down. All we need is that one port over there, and that will be it for Brazil. Now I think I can probably use missiles for this. Hold on, okay, that puts down. Come on. Wait, that was a 2-1. It should like instantly get it, right? Okay, okay, Mexico down. Yep, this is it. This is the complete end game. The absolute end. Get rid of this destroyer. This port. And oh, you got this one port. This one Australian fighting up there. And you can launch a paratroop gun. And I'll bomb that port next to I'm pretty sure, like, okay, what are the countries that I think there's definitely still a couple of American ports, I think, that I need to take. There's one, I remember there's one Canadian one. That one's done. Ooh, okay, what's it? Oh, it's 12:48. We are actually on track. We were actually on track to do this to get an S2. We are on track to get the S2 rank. Ooh, and I'm pretty sure we get the Patriotic Medal, which is a really good one. Greece's radio and Blitzkrieg I'm going to be using it for. Blitzkrieg, of course, I'm not going to get on the set. I'm going to put it on my video. I'm going to use it to increase Blitzkrieg instead of radio. Oh wow, I am legitimately shaking. Because I may just get the USA defeated. I think Australia is really the only one left. Oh yeah, Brazil too. Well, ooh, okay. Yeah, I think we'll definitely get. I think this is it. This is the S2. This is the moment you, me, and probably everybody has been waiting for. Okay, we've got that one city. Wait, hold on, let me get my missile. Sorry. Wait, do we have a bomb? No, oh no, okay. We have bomb. A bomb. Well, we probably wouldn't need it anyway. Okay. This has to be the last one. Okay, yes, Australia's down. Come on, this has. Oh. Okay, Brazil's down, but there's still one more country that's left. Okay. Where are the I need to Canada. Oh, there we go. Nice. That is going to be the screenshot. And that is going to be the thumbnail of the video. Okay. Boom. Nice. We got the S2 rank, which means now oh wow, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, you also get the rank 8. That's nice. You can get 550. You got 614 medals now, as well as the Assult medal, as well as 25 more medals. Wow, insane. Look at that. Okay, let's just go ahead and put that on Guderian. There we go. 90% chance. You see, this is why medals make a big difference. Like medals are kind of underrated. But 90% chance. Like Guderian, this would have helped so much if I was doing the final base. Like especially when I hit the Conquest. Okay, this one medal may actually make Guderian better than Mansa. Because if I was attacking a really strong general, let's say if I was attacking Conquest in that final base mission, and there was a 90% chance that he would not retaliate, I could probably beat that stage with just Guderian. Wow. Okay, you know what? I think Guderian is gonna be way more tough. Yeah. Okay. I really do want to get the patriotic medal for Einstein though. You can get it in Warsaw, right? I'm pretty sure you can get it, or you can just buy it some other medals too. For it's like $6. There's 2 packs. There's one that's $7.50 to get the cross medal. The hero medal, all of the probably some of the best medals in the game, and there's more mediocre pack. You still get the patriotic medal, which is pretty good. You get the knight medal, which is okay, I guess, but yeah, it's obviously not as good as the $8. I'm pretty sure you can get the patriotic medal. I'm pretty sure this one. Oh wait, no, it's called the Assult now. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch. Ashes. Oh, we get cross. That's way high school now. Doom. Oh, you get a human. Oh, okay. So it seems like you can only get the Assult medal from purchasing. Okay, that's a bit of a problem, but you get from purchasing less the less expensive one. Wait, and I got 649 medals. I don't know what to do with right. Yeah, I can get Williams. Oh, I think that I already got it. Okay, I think I'll get you know what? Wait, I already did. Okay, then I'll do it for Williams, I guess. Okay, boom. Oh, he's now over to you. I have 3 more jobs I need to do. I think I'll probably do Nimitz. No, I think I'll do Kodev next, then Nimitz and then Luto will be the last one. Okay. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.